Hello everyone, this is Gautami. So today we'll be dealing with maximum principal strain theory, and this is the sixth lecture in theory of failure. So I would suggest you guys to complete the previous lectures and continue with this lecture. And we have made a telegram group to help you guys. The group link will be given in the description. So join the group for more updates. So to begin with maximum principal strain theory, this theory is also called as Saint Venant's theory. So, as the name suggests, it is maximum principal strain. Principal strains in your basic elasticity are given in the formula like sigma 1 divided by E minus mu, sigma 2 divided by E minus mu, sigma 3 divided by E. In the same way, um, epsilon 2 is given by sigma 2 divided by E minus mu, sigma 3 divided by E minus mu, sigma 1 divided by E. You can write the same for epsilon 3. So this is the formula for your strain, principal strain. So they are asking you maximum principal strain. So this terms, which is sigma 1 divided by E minus mu sigma 2 divided by E minus mu sigma 3 divided by E, should be less than epsilon max. So this is the maximum principal strain. So to find this maximum principal strain, let us conduct a tension test. So let us consider a bar with sigma y, yielding stress sigma y. So let's do this together. So sigma 1 becomes sigma y, sigma 2 is 0, sigma 3 is 0. So substitute this back in this equation. We get sigma y divided by E minus 0 less than epsilon max. So we got this value. Substitute back in equation 1. So this becomes sigma 1 divided by E minus mu sigma 2 divided by E minus mu sigma 3 divided by E is less than sigma y by E, where you can cancel out E and you can write it as sigma 1 minus mu sigma 2 minus mu sigma 3 less than sigma y. So now what we'll do, we'll conduct a torsion test on the same material. So for this case you will get sigma 1 as tau, sigma 2 as minus tau, sigma 3 is equals to 0. So now substitute this back in the above equation. You will get tau y divided by E minus mu minus tau divided by E equals to maximum principal strain. So this can be written as tau y divided by E, you can take it as common, into 1 plus mu is equals to epsilon max. So epsilon max you got, this is nothing but sigma y divided by E. So E gets cancels. So tau y by sigma y ratio will be 1 divided by 1 plus mu. So this tau y by sigma y ratio for maximum principal strain theory is 1 divided by 1 plus mu. So when it comes to graph, this theory has a rhombus shaped graph which 1 second. You have a rhombus shaped graph. So this is the graph type for this theory, and tau y by sigma y ratio and the formulas. For exam purpose, you need to know this formula too. As well, this theory is well suited for brittle materials. So all the last three theories which I have covered are well suited for brittle materials, and the first two theories, Tresca and von Mises, is best suited for ductile materials. So this completes your theory of failure syllabus for your GATE aerospace. So I'll be solving the numericals in the coming lectures. So join our Telegram group for all the notes in a PDF format, as well as any doubts, any suggestions, you can drop a message in a comment box, and you can contact us through the Telegram group. So yeah, complete the revision and keep studying the new concepts. You have enough time, you can do it, guys. So all the best for your preparation. Thank you so much.